Step 1. Place seat sitter over the top of headrest and seat. Ensure elastic sides go around headrest and the entire seat is covered. To secure, you must tuck seat cover into seat crease where seat back meets the seat bottom. Seat cover is reusable. Wash on delicate cycle, dry on low heat. Step 2. Use sanitary wipes to clean tray table and armrests. Step 3. To use tray table cover, apply adhesive directly onto tray table. Use allergy mask and hand sanitizer as needed. Step 4. Peanut allergy sticker to place on your tray table to bring awareness to those around you. Step 5. Kids Edition includes 2 crayons for kids to have fun and draw directly on the tray table cover.